Good morning, Onental. I am Hasna from 8th Standard. Today is November 19, National Integration Day. Integration means to bring people together in a united manner on the basis of a common promise and fulfilling that promise and maintaining the unity. National integrity is very important to fight issues like international terrorism or similar problems like that. When a country faces a hard time because of problems on international basis, the country needs to face the problem in a united manner, so that is very easier for the country people. These national integrity units the people for the development of the country. Many of the problems are solved on national basis like economy of the country. It is also very important to respect each religion and treat all the people of the different caste and class equally. For maintaining national integrity, it is important to respect each religion, caste, and class so that the people can understand each other well, as it is important to understand each other before uniting with one another. National integration plays a very prime role in solving political, social, and economic issues of the country. It also reduces problems related to different religion, caste, and classes, and it fights or wars among the country people. If national integrity is strong in the minds of people, it will not let the country people diverge into different ideas. It is the duty of the national leaders to inspire the people of the country to unite together and remain integrated nationally. National integration helps in the development of the country. The freedom fighters were the first people who introduced national integration in our minds. They were the ones who taught us to be patriots. The celebration of all the national festivals shows India to be in national integrity. National integration helps the nation to progress towards being a powerful nation. Our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru founded the first National Integration Council in India in 1961 to strengthen the unity among the people of the country. And I am concluding with this word. Thank you and have a great day.